The story of animals begins in the vast oceans of the Precambrian era billions of years ago. Life was simple then. Single-celled organisms ruled the primordial seas. But over eons, change was coming. Simple cells began to cooperate, forming colonies. These colonies gradually evolved into the first multicellular organisms. These early multicellular organisms were the ancestors of all animals. They were simple creatures, lacking the complex features we see in animals today. But they were pioneers, paving the way for the incredible diversity of the animal kingdom. The Precambrian oceans were a crucible of evolution. New forms appeared, experimented with different body plans, and competed for survival. The fossil record from this time is sparse. Soft-bodied organisms rarely fossilized, making it difficult to reconstruct their forms. But scientists use various techniques to piece together the puzzle of early animal evolution. Molecular studies, for example, provide clues about the relationships between different animal groups. The Precambrian era set the stage for one of the most remarkable events in the history of life: the Cambrian explosion. The Cambrian explosion was a pivotal moment in the history of life. In a blink of geological time, the oceans teemed with a bewildering variety of animals. Many of the major animal groups we see today, from arthropods to vertebrates, first appeared during this period. What triggered this sudden burst of evolution? Scientists propose several theories. Changes in ocean chemistry, such as an increase in oxygen levels, may have played a role. The evolution of new body plans, such as shells and skeletons, provided animals with protection and support, allowing them to exploit new ecological niches. The Cambrian explosion was a time of intense competition and predation. Animals evolved new sensory organs, such as eyes, to detect prey and avoid predators. The development of sophisticated nervous systems allowed for faster movement and more complex behaviors. The Burgess Shale, a fossil site in Canada, provides a remarkable window into the Cambrian explosion. This site preserves the soft tissues of animals in exquisite detail, revealing a bizarre and wonderful array of creatures. Hallucigenia, with its spiky back and numerous legs, and Opabenia, with its 5 eyes and a long, grasping proboscis, are just two examples of the strange and wonderful animals that inhabited the Cambrian seas. For millions of years, the oceans were the cradle of animal life, but gradually life began to explore a new frontier land. The transition from water to land was a monumental challenge, requiring significant adaptations. Plants were the first to colonize land, followed by invertebrates such as insects and spiders. These early pioneers paved the way for the arrival of vertebrates. Amphibians, with their ability to live both in water and on land, were among the first vertebrates to venture onto land. Life on land presented a host of new challenges. Animals needed to adapt to breathing air, supporting their bodies against gravity and preventing water loss. The evolution of lungs, limbs, and waterproof skin were crucial adaptations for terrestrial life. The conquest of land was a pivotal moment in animal evolution. It opened up vast new habitats and resources, leading to the diversification of animals into the myriad forms we see today. The Mesozoic era, which began about 250 million years ago, is often called the Age of Reptiles. During this time, reptiles, particularly dinosaurs, dominated the planet. Dinosaurs evolved into a spectacular array of forms, from the massive, long-necked sauropods to the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex. Dinosaurs ruled the Earth for over 180 million years. They adapted to a wide range of environments, from lush forests to arid deserts. Some dinosaurs were herbivores, feeding on plants, while others were carnivores, preying on other animals. The reign of the dinosaurs came to an abrupt end about 66 million years ago, when a massive asteroid struck the Earth. The impact triggered catastrophic events, including widespread wildfires, tsunamis, and global cooling. The dinosaurs, along with many other plant and animal species, perished in the aftermath. Section 5. The rise of mammals, adapting and thriving. While dinosaurs ruled the Earth, mammals were evolving in the shadows. These small, nocturnal creatures lived alongside the dinosaurs, but they were largely outcompeted by their reptilian counterparts. The extinction of the dinosaurs created new opportunities for mammals. With their main competitors gone, mammals diversified rapidly, evolving into a wide variety of forms to fill the vacant ecological niches. Mammals possessed several key adaptations that contributed to their success. They were warm-blooded, allowing them to maintain a constant body temperature regardless of the external environment. They had hair or fur for insulation, and they gave birth to live young, providing them with parental care. The Cenozoic era, which began after the extinction of the dinosaurs, is often called the Age of Mammals. During this time, mammals diversified into the myriad forms we see today, from tiny shrews to massive whales. Section 6, a lasting partnership, humans and animals. Humans and animals have shared a long and complex relationship. From the earliest humans who hunted animals for food to modern societies that rely on animals for companionship, transportation and work, animals have played a vital role in human history and culture. Animals have been a source of inspiration for art, literature and mythology. They have been worshipped as gods, feared as monsters, and cherished as companions. Our interactions with animals have shaped our beliefs, values and traditions. The domestication of animals, which began thousands of years ago, marked a turning point in human history. Domesticated animals provided humans with a reliable source of food, labor and transportation, transforming human societies and enabling the development of agriculture and civilization. Section 7, domestication shaping our world. Domestication is the process of adapting wild plants and animals for human use. It is a form of artificial selection where humans selectively breed individuals with desirable traits. Over generations, this selective breeding can lead to significant changes in the appearance, behavior, and genetics of domesticated species. The earliest domesticated animals were dogs, which were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago. Dogs were initially used for hunting, guarding, and companionship. Other animals, such as sheep, goats, pigs, and cattle, were domesticated later, providing humans with a reliable source of food and other resources. The domestication of animals had a profound impact on human societies. It led to a more sedentary lifestyle, as humans no longer needed to follow herds of wild animals for food. This, in turn, allowed for the development of agriculture, villages, and eventually cities. Domesticated animals also provided humans with new forms of transportation, such as horses and camels, which facilitated trade and communication. Section 8. Understanding animals, from Aristotle to Darwin. The study of animals has fascinated humans for centuries. Ancient Greek philosophers, such as Aristotle, made significant contributions to our understanding of the natural world, including the classification and behavior of animals. Aristotle's work laid the foundation for the scientific study of animals, known as zoology. During the Renaissance, naturalists began to systematically observe and classify animals, leading to the development of modern taxonomy, the science of naming and classifying organisms. In the 19th century, Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection revolutionized our understanding of the natural world, including the origins and relationships between different animal species. Darwin's work provided a unifying framework for understanding the diversity of life on Earth and the processes that have shaped it. Section 9. The future of animals. Challenges and conservation. Today, the animal kingdom faces unprecedented challenges. Habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and overexploitation are driving many species to the brink of extinction. The loss of biodiversity has far-reaching consequences not only for the natural world but also for human societies that rely on healthy ecosystems for food, water, and other essential services. Conservation efforts are crucial for protecting endangered species and their habitats. This includes establishing protected areas, reducing pollution, and promoting sustainable practices. Education and public awareness are also essential for fostering a sense of responsibility towards the natural world. The study of animal behavior, known as ethology, is also essential for conservation efforts. By understanding the behavior of animals, we can develop more effective strategies for managing and protecting them. Animals have played a vital role in human history and culture, and they continue to inspire us with their beauty, diversity, and resilience. As we face the challenges of the 21st century, it is more important than ever to appreciate, understand, and protect the animal kingdom. The future of animals is inextricably linked to our own.